since I was born. I won't say I've never seen this type of thing before. In fact, I have seen it and have even seen worse. This video I'm about to share with you or show you or talk a little bit about, it's about this girl called Bridget Bema. I hope I'm sounding her surname well. Bridget Bema. She is on the list in her class or in her school for every negative thing possible. She is on latecomers list. She is on the people that bully list. She is on the people that look for trouble. She is on the people that don't do their homework. She is on the list of people that don't obey teachers. She is on the list of everything, all the lists they write in school for people that do this and people that do this. Madam Bridget is on the list. Yes, I will show you this video. You may laugh, you may wonder. In fact, just watch it as I watched it. You know that's all I do these days since my daughter gave me a phone. Sit on the internet and go and watch it.
You're going to begin. And the last one, Bridget Bema. Bridget Bema. And again, Bridget Bema.
Bridget again.
Bridget Bema. Again. The last one we hear is Bridget Bema. Bridget Bema. We have students who don't obey teachers. Bridget Bema. And you're smiling. Come here.
Bridget again. Let me just leave this video for now and talk about Bridget. The Bridget in our houses. The Bridget in our lives. The Bridget some of us used to be. You know, I'm Grandma Greatness. And I told you people, if you can remember, watch one of my, I think it's my first video. I used to be a teacher in a school. So, there used to be a lot of Bridget, as we can see. You see, there's this particular child. I don't know whether she and Bridget were the same or she was even worse. Every day call her parents. We call her parents. Florence is on this list though. Florence made noise today. Florence did this today. Florence did this today. Sometimes the mother will say, I don't know what to do. The father will say, I don't know what to do. And the thing was that the Florence herself, she does not care. You know, there are some people that when they do something, they'll be a bit sober, they will look down. This one will be looking a teacher in the face. So, when I saw this video, I laughed. I said, I've experienced children, a lot of children like Bridget before. And there's a way, you know, there's a way they deal with children. You don't deal with every child the same. No, no, no. When you look at their behavior, you look at their personality, then, and you look at a bit of their background, then you know how to deal with them, how to treat them, so that, you know, you can be fair, you know. When I came to UK, I'm in UK now, I'm in my daughter's house, her son, Chukwuebuka, in fact, I'm going to show him this video. Chukwuebuka just entered secondary school. Do you know, in the UK, when somebody does something like naughty, or the person is, or maybe they forgot their homework, or they didn't do their homework, or they came to school late, they give them detention. My dear, what is the detention? To sit down in a class after school. I was asking Chukwuebuka, sit down and do what? Okay, what do you people do? He said, no, that they just sit down. Okay, do you read a book? No, that they just sit down. So their punishment is for the child to sit down. I said, how is that a punishment? He said, Grandma, but I'm so bored. I'm so bored. How can I just be sitting down? You know, Chukwuebuka is now very tall. So he's looking down and telling me, Grandma, how can he be bored? Chukwuebuka, what are you? Why are you on the list in the first place? Why didn't you do your homework, Chukwuebuka? You woke up early. Why are you late to school, Chukwuebuka? That's what I've been telling my grandson. Every time the school will call his mother, they will call his father and say, Ebuka did this. Ebuka did that. I said, Ebuka, me and you we would put leg in one trouser. I don't want you to be late after school. I don't want you to sit in your class and do nothing for detention. where I come from. When I was in school, when a child or even the whole class is naughty, we know what we do. You either clean the classroom, or if there's grass outside, you go and cut the grass. Yes. I remember when I was in boarding school, hey, our biology teacher, Mr. Okoli, if one person doesn't answer the question in the class, he would just say, class, save her. That means everybody in class should try and answer this question to save that student. If nobody in the class gets the answer right, he will punish everybody in the class. What was our punishment? 2 things. We either go and cut grass. After cutting grass, you see blisters on your hand anyway. Or you go to the kitchen. As a boarding school student, the cooks used to use big pots to cook food. By the time you, as a small student, you know, then we were small. By the time that you are small and start washing a big pot, after washing that, you will run back to your hostel and start reading the whole biology book so that you don't enter that trouble. You see? So, that's what I'm telling Chukwuebuka, my grandson. I will show him this video. Don't be like Bridget. Bridget is in, and she's kneeling down. She's kneeling down in every list. Bridget is there. Bridget is, and she is very confident. She is very confident. No shaking at all. When they say Bridget Bema, she will get up and she knows exactly where to kneel down. She's not even asking what where. No, she knows exactly the spot to kneel down because she has been there before. It's funny watching the video, but in real life, it's not funny, isn't it? If you're a parent watching me and your child is a Bridget, is your child a Bridget? Hey, I am a mother. I am now a grandmother. If your child is a Bridget, the school will be calling you, disturbing you. Inside your head, you'll be going, you cannot concentrate because as soon as your phone rings, you will think that is your child's teacher that has called you. You see? If your child is among the people bullying other children, tell your child to stop. Oh. If your child is going late to school, find out why is your child going late to school. Are they not sleeping early? If they are not sleeping early, let them sleep early. Why are they awake in the night? No, a child needs to sleep early so that they can be in school early and not be a Bridget. If your name is Bridget, this Bridget here is not a representation of you. It's just that her name in the video is Bridget. I don't even know if her name in real life is Bridget, but at the moment, this is a Bridget scenario. So please, if your name is Bridget, don't be offended. No, don't be offended. Please watch my other videos and subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload any of these videos that I see, you will be the first to know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you people next time. Take care. Bye.